Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, integers, practice set number 7 we are going to complete in today's video. So in this video we are going to study about comparing integers. Now this I have already explained and a separate video has been created, but many of you all have not understood that video. Some were having few problems, so this video I am going to make for the kids, those who have not understood the previous video. Okay, so now first we have to study what is a number line. In the very starting of this chapter I have explained what is a number line. This is a number line. It starts with 0. To the right hand side of 0 are positive integers, and to the left hand side of the 0 is the negative integers. Alright, now which is going to be greater and which is going to be smaller? Which is going to be positive number is going to be greater or negative number is going to be greater? So children, you all don't have to think much about it. Just remember, when you move from left to right, the number goes on increasing. Means left से right जब हम move करते हैं, when we move from left to right, यहाँ से यहाँ पे numbers जब आते हैं जैसे -4 and 2, so which is going to be greater? 2 will be greater. -3 and 1, which will be greater? 1 will be greater. -2 and -1, which will be greater? -1. So always remember the numbers to the right hand side of every number. जो भी number दिया रहेगा उसके right hand side जो जाएगा number, that number is going to be greater. Okay, over here also they have explained. See, -3 is smaller than -4 is smaller than -3 is smaller than -2 is smaller than -1 is smaller than 0 is smaller than 1 is smaller than 2 is smaller than 3. मतलब the number यहाँ से जब जाते हैं, see the direction also they have shown कि यहाँ से जब जाते हैं तो numbers greater हो जाते हैं. They keeps on increasing, the number gets bigger. Okay, so only this much you all have to remember, nothing else. Okay, तो माइनस है, 2 माइनस है तो कौन सा वाला बड़ा रहने वाला है? Then you all have to imagine कि अगर -4 and -2 है तो which will be greater? -2 will be greater, because यहाँ से यहाँ जब travel करता है number, then the value increases, the number gets bigger. Alright, I hope this is clear till here now. Now let us compare positive number and 0 and negative number. Now few examples are also been given over here. 4 and -3. So 4 is over here, -3 is over here. Which will be greater? 4 will be greater. क्यों? तो because we have to compare this side वाला number. यहाँ पे जो भी आएगा, ये number यहाँ पे, यहाँ से जो भी number आएगा, that will be greater. 4 and 3, both are positive numbers. So 3 is over here, 4 is over here. So which will be greater? 4. हमेशा right hand side वाला number ही greater रहेगा. Okay, now next is 0 and -1. 0 and -1. -1 is over here, 0 is over here. So which will be greater? 0 will be greater because it is to the right hand side of the number. -2 and -3. -2 and -3. Which one is greater? -2 is greater. Why it is greater? Because it is to the left hand side of the other number. Got it? -12 and 7. Now over here they haven't given, but -12 will be over here and 7 will be over here. तो कौन सा वाला बड़ा रहेगा? यहाँ पे. So always the right hand side वाला number is going to be greater. Okay, so always remember the number line, keep that number line in your mind, and then you all have to decide which one is smaller and which one is greater. Now let's solve the practice set number 7. Again I am explaining it. So first one is -4 and 5. Which one will be greater? Along the number line I will show you. 0 is over here, -4 is over here, and 5 will be over here. I am purposely not adding other numbers because I have to explain every sum. Okay, so I will only write the numbers which I have to explain. So -4 is over here and 5 will be over here. So which one will be greater? 5. So 5 ko you all have to give the greater sign. Next one is 8 and -10. So which one is going to be greater? 0 will be over here. 8 positive है तो it will come somewhere over here, and 10 will come, -10 will come over here. So now which one will be greater? 8 will be greater. Okay, Q because it is to the right hand side of the given number. So 8 will be greater. Next, the third one we will write plus 9 and plus 9. So both are equal. So equal wala sign. Fourth one is minus 6 and 0. So again I will draw a number line and show you 0 is over here, minus 6 will be somewhere over here. So minus 6 यहाँ पे है, 0 यहाँ पे. Which one will be greater? 0 will be greater. Okay, so many of you all make mistake over here only कि कौन सा number है. So always to the right hand side of the given number you all have to write the greater sign. जो भी right hand side number आता है that is going to be greater. 7 and 4. So again I will draw a number line. 0 I will draw over here. 4 यहाँ पे आएगा somewhere and 7 यहाँ पे आएगा. Now which one will be greater? 7 will be greater. Okay, because right hand side number goes on increasing. Next, the sixth one is 3 and 0. So 0 will be over here and 3 will come over here. Which one is going to be greater? Purposely I am not writing other numbers so that you will not get confused. You all can even practice in the same way until you get the answers correct and understand the concept. You all can practice in the same way as I have shown you all. Okay, so 0 and 3. Which will be greater? 3 because it is to the right hand side. ये उंगली के right hand side जो भी number आएगा that is going to be greater. Seventh one is minus 7 and 7. So again I will draw a number line. 0 यहाँ पे आएगा, positive number 7 यहाँ पे आएगा, negative number 7 यहाँ पे आएगा. So which one is going to be greater? This one. Always right hand side finger will be greater. Okay, eighth one is minus 12 and 5. So 0 यहाँ पे है, 5 will come over here, minus 12 will come somewhere over here. Then compare the numbers again. As I said, right hand finger will be greater. तो 5 यहाँ पे आ रहा है. Then you all have to show 5 as greater. Ninth one, minus 2 and minus 8. Both the negative numbers are there. So don't worry. Minus 2 यहाँ पे आएगा, minus 8 यहाँ पे आएगा suppose. तो which one will be greater? Minus 2. See, every time this finger is only coming. है ना? So right hand side वाला finger has always shown you the greater number. Remember that. 10th sum is minus 1 and minus 2. Both are negative numbers. So 0 I will write over here, minus 1 I will write over here, minus 2 I will write over here. So which one is going to be greater? This one is going to be greater. That is minus 1. I hope at least now you all have understood the main concept, how you all have to show the greater and smaller number. 0 will be over here, minus 3 will come to the minus side and 6 will come to the positive side. Which one will be greater? Always the right hand side finger. So 6 is going to be greater. Last sum, minus 14 and minus 14. Both are negative numbers, both the numbers are same, so they are equal. I hope this exercise is clear and the concept of comparing the integers have got clear. If suppose still you all have not understood, do let me know in the comment section, children, because I am only preparing the videos for those kids, those who have not understood. Rest all the practice set are been already posted in the on our channel, so you all can go and watch the other videos also. Practice set number 8, 9 till the last lesson we have completed all the practice sets, so you all can go and watch it. Okay, and if you all are finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section. Only that video I will be preparing for you all. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.